Hey guys, the other day I was playing with my Rubik's Cube and I broke my record. I got a sub 20 and my previous record was 23 seconds and I got 19.75, so I was pretty happy about that. And I'll show you the time on my speed cubing app now. So yeah, I used the GANs 356. Yep. And my average of my last 5, I don't know if you saw, it was 29.99 seconds. And the average of my last 12 was 31. So I guess you can say I average 30 seconds. So every about 1 in 10 solves, I get about a 25-second solve, which is pretty good. But it was kind of shocking and amazing that I got a sub 20. So yeah.